Coulomb's law states that the force of attraction or repulsion between two stationary point charges is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of two charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. And this force acts along the lines joining between two charges. Suppose we have two charges Q1 and Q2, and both of them are positive point charges. Okay, then there will be repulsive force, and distance between these two charges is r. Then according to Coulomb's law, the force of repulsion is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of these two charges. Then we can write F is proportional to Q1 into Q2 and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. We can write F is inversely proportional to 1 by r square. Combine these two equations, we will get F is proportional to Q1 Q2 by r square. Then F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by r square. When we will remove this proportionality sign, then there will be a constant, and this constant K is known as electrostatic constant. Electrostatic constant. Okay. The value of K is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Newton meter square per Coulomb square. And K is also written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is known as permittivity of free space. Epsilon naught is known as permittivity of free space. Okay. And the value of epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. Okay. This is the Coulomb's law of electric force. F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by r square.